Hey everyone, it's Brittany, and today we're going to be reviewing the new L'Oreal Unlimited Mascara. So I've seen ads and commercials for this. I do currently carry two L'Oreal mascaras in my kit. I have the classic voluminous carbon black. I also have it in brown, and then I also started carrying the Lash Paradise mascara. Both of these are really great. You can layer them, and as far as keeping mascara in your makeup kit, these are great because they don't cost that much. So, you know, as a professional makeup artist, you do have to throw out mascara quite frequently. Sometimes, you know, one day gone, depending on what's going on, or if your client has any kind of eye issues, those types of things. So I wanted to give this a try. I do really like L'Oreal mascara. I would say for drugstore mascara, it's really great. What usually happens, or what's happened in the past with L'Oreal, is they also own Lancome. So usually it starts with Lancome and the new technology, and then it rolls down to L'Oreal, and then it hits Maybelline. So I'm excited to try this. So this has a bendable wand, so you're supposed to be able to get into all your little baby lashes. I have no mascara on today, and I didn't curl my lashes. I just did very clean makeup look, and it's an innovative brush, so I will be excited to see what this brush is like, because most of the time I hate any of the brushes that are like that hard plastic or those rubbery ones. I like more of a natural bristle. It's just my thing. I feel it builds better. I have more control over it. I like how it separates. So that's just me. So let's go ahead and get it open. I always buy L'Oreal in Blackest Black. I like my mascara to be super, super black, unless I'm doing kind of a more Marilyn Monroe look, where her makeup artist would use brown mascara underneath and black on top. So let's go ahead and open this. Okay, so it is about the size that you see in the package, and it kind of will sit up on its own, as you can kind of see here. It's a little bit hard on my hand, but oops. This is a unique shape, and it also has remove, so it has this little thing on there. I'm not quite sure. Remove. Okay, I'm not sure why they have that clipped on there, unless it's, oh, I see. That's just to keep this so it stays up straight in the box. So let's go ahead and take this out. I will say this type of wand is harder to keep in my makeup kit, because I don't keep my brushes in my kit. I keep them in a separate kit. So I usually like to put my mascara wands in like what you would see in a traditional makeup kit, where your brushes go. So let's take this out. Okay, so it is one of those rubber wands. I'll give you guys a real close-up look here. So the way you bend it would be to click it like so. And it looks like this outer portion is just extra packaging, and so it looks like it's going to be like a normal size tube. So let's go ahead and try it out. So I haven't curled my lashes out because I did want to give you guys a full look. So far it's going on pretty well. I just got stabbed by one of those pokey brushes. That's why I don't like using these, is because like if it touches your waterline, it kind of like spikes into it. So I'll do that. So I will say I do like that. Let's go ahead and bend the brush. Oops. It's got I touched the top a little bit, but that's okay. If you do have that happen, you can just take a little Q-tip with some moisturizer and just touch it. So if you compare one eye to the other, it does have a really nice effect. This is just one coat as well. And as you can see, my lashes are very blonde, almost non-existent looking. So this really makes a nice pop. So I'm pretty happy with this so far. I just wish it was a regular brush. It's the only thing I would change so far. I blinked. So I will say a lot of things are starting to come in this kind of curve shape, curling irons, all those types of things, scissors. So what this helps is with your wrist. So if you're someone who has wrist issues or RA, those types of things, this might be a good product for you because, you know, you can do it straight, but also you can kind of keep your wrist in a more neutral position versus like having to turn it like that. So something else positive to think about with this. And this also does mimic what a lot of makeup artists do. Like I do this with, because I don't use the actual wand that comes in the tube. I use the spoolie, disposable ones, because we do not want to spread germs. So on the spoolie, I'll usually bend it right here, and that allows me to kind of get in the corner. So this is kind of a little ingenious makeup artist trick that we used, and I guess they applied it and brought it to the consumer. So that's kind of fun. And you know, I got a little bit underneath here because I blinked, but I would say this is really pretty. I'm very excited about it. This is just one coat. Usually I'll let it dry down a little bit and kind of go through. So I would definitely get this. It was $10.98 at my Target, so really great deal. So yeah, I'm really happy with the Unlimited Mascara. I will definitely be keeping this and adding it to my kit. So alright, well that's it for this video. I appreciate you watching. If you have any questions, please post them in the comments below. And also subscribe to my channel. The more subscribers I get, the more videos I'll be able to do for you guys. And follow me on Instagram at Bryttannee and on Facebook at Bryttannee. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys again soon. Bye!